Today, I'll show you how to create re-engagement campaigns in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to re-engage in active contacts or simply refine your marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, let's navigate to the automation section in HubSpot. Once you're in your HubSpot account, head over to the top menu and click on Automation. From the drop-down, select Workflow. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to manage all your automated marketing efforts. Now, click on Create to start building your new re-engagement campaign. The first thing we need to establish is a trigger. This is essentially what will kick off your workflow. For a re-engagement campaign, you'll want to set your trigger to segment membership. Specifically, you'll set it to target your unengaged segment. This segment consists of those contacts who haven't interacted with your content in a while and need a little nudge to get back in the loop. Once your trigger is set, it's time to define the first action of your workflow. This action will be sending out your re-engagement email. Make sure your email is compelling and provides value to entice your recipients to take action. You might want to offer an exclusive deal or share exciting updates about your product or service. Remember, the goal here is to capture their interest and reestablish a connection. After sending the initial re-engagement email, it's crucial to give your contacts some time to engage with the content. Set a delay for 7 days. This waiting period allows your contacts to consider your message and decide whether they want to interact with it. It's important not to rush them, as engagement often doesn't happen immediately. Now, let's move on to the next step in the workflow. After the 7-day waiting period, you'll want to evaluate your contacts' interactions. The key action here is to check if the contact clicked the call to action or CTA in your re-engagement email. This is a clear indicator of interest and engagement. If the contact did click the CTA, you'll want to move them to a re-engaged list. Creating this list helps you easily identify which contacts have shown renewed interest in your offerings. Additionally, it's a good idea to increase their lead score. By doing this, you're recognizing their engagement and adjusting their score to reflect their potential as a more valuable lead. This adjustment helps prioritize these contacts for future marketing efforts, ensuring they receive more targeted and relevant content. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a re-engagement campaign in HubSpot. Remember, the key to a successful re-engagement campaign is not only in creating it, but also in continuously monitoring and optimizing it based on your contacts' responses. This will ensure that your campaigns remain effective and continue to drive engagement over time. With this workflow set up, you're now ready to re-engage those dormant contacts and bring them back into the fold. Keep refining your approach as you gather more data and watch as your engagement rates improve. Thanks for tuning in and happy marketing.